Hey guys, this is YouTube using this video due to some down here back to it in a video. And of course today is Christmas Day 2019. It is now a little after 6 PM Newfoundland time. And of course yep, and of course today I'll be unboxing a really awesome electronic device. That's right. I am unboxing the Sony FDR AX33 4K camcorder. Black. So yep, this is how it looks like over here. Here's the side of this camcorder and one in the box, sorry, and it is a Wi-Fi certified, which is awesome, and 1/7, 1/7 remote, awesome. We got college lens and Bion extra wherever that is, and extra board, that's the SD card thing. It says it wherever it is, and privilege all this new stuff here. And we got full 1080p HD, awesome. And of course, this is the an optional accessory for this camcorder, the charger, the little battery. So we got 20.6 megapixels still image recording, 15x 4K 20K HD clear image zoom, 12.8mm wide angle lens, 120 FPS high speed recording, and barrel win. Yep, nice. Because on the side we got the features. We got the conventional and balanced the zoom. We got trim playback, trim or zoom up your desired position in full HD quality. Yep, nice. And we got multi-camera control. Operator shoots simultaneously up to 5 cameras. Huh, not bad. And this is the computer for it. And we got high-speed recording. Easy editing slow motion footage by Playberry's home. Yep, indeed. And on the back here we got where we stick. This is stuff the camcorder uses multi-interface shoe and HD progressive and Dolby SI creator and HDMI, and this is also available for a Mac. And this is the continuous recording time. We got this is the with fully charged battery default disease. So we got MPFV 70, yep, 135 minutes, and MPFV 108 is 270 minutes. Awesome. And of course over here we just got this is just a small optional accessories featuring I think this is a microphone and or like another camera, a mini camera, whatever it is, and this is the multi-interface shoe. Yep, nice. And of course, this was bought online, by the way. But of course, I was gonna buy this camcorder a few months earlier in Davenport, Florida, at the Best Buy over there. But of course, I was really trying really hard to buy, but then I had no luck. Just my debit card didn't work for that much money. So yeah, pretty much. So then obviously end up waiting 2 months for it, which is 3. Yep, indeed. That's just fun fact. Anyway, let's open this, shall we? So anyway, we got some direction designer stuff in here. This is the limited warranty thing. USA and Canada. 1 year. Yep. And see what else we got. Jeez, upside down. This is the instructions for like maybe the guys were already not really sure though. We got handycam accessories. Yep, indeed. We got this is the don't know what this is, like must be multi, not very sure though. We got the rechargeable battery packed in, some more instructions in different languages. We got the operating guide. Yep, I might need that just to find out how to use this camcorder, maybe. Even though I've actually learned how to do it without the guide with my other camcorders. And of course let's get this opened, shall we? Here we go. Ta-da! Here we go. Here we go. Just a quick flash shot at the Davenport Best Buy in October of this year. Yep, look at that. 4K. Look at that. Here's the lens for it. Yep. Here's the handle for it. It looks actually a lot different than what I seen at the Best Buy in Davenport. But of course, yep, this is the charging thing over here. This is the stuff with. This is like the other stuff for these camcorders. Yep. Yep, indeed. Yep, using a USB code here. Yep, nice. Here's the stuff we record. Here's the other lens. You can use light shot on this camcorder. Nice. Here's this would put the SD card in. HDMI, you can put the HDMI in there too. So yeah. Yeah, I just figured out how to use this camcorder now. Yeah, this is actually pretty nice. Yep, look at this. Oh, nice. Hold on to it for the first time. Awesome. And anyway, this is one part of the charger. Let me just try to open it now. 1 second now. Here we go. Yep, here's one part of the charger, and here we got a like a what is it? That's the HDMI cord for it. Yep. Don't think I need this shelf, but I'll leave the shelf now. And this is the another USB thin part, and see what else we got here. This is the other end of it, and the charger. So yeah, pretty much. So yep, indeed. Up this here. Yep, wait now. And of course, yep. Let's see, we got one more thing in here. Let's see what this is. Yeah, this is the battery for it. This is bigger than every other Sony camcorder batteries that I had in the past. Yep, pretty much. So of course, yep. So I'm not actually gonna do a demo for this camcorder. Yep, but of course the next video you'll see be the test video. So yeah. Let's put this baby in. Wow, like a boss. Look at this. Nice. And of course, this is the full camcorder view here. Pretty awesome, eh? Yeah, I'm sure we record lots of awesome videos with this camcorder within the coming months and yep, and years too. Yeah, pretty much. So just really hope you guys like this unboxing video, and of course stay tuned for Vlogmas 2019 and the test video of this camcorder collab. very soon. So over and out, guys. Peace. Bye. See you later.